110 Gleneagles is a classic Cape-style home with a fantastic open floor plan, situated on the third hole of the Blue Heron course in Ford's Colony. The home offers 3,544 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms, 3 full and 1 half baths. The spacious entry welcomes guests right into the open style of the home. Hardwood floors flow through much of the main level. The great room is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Extend the entertaining space with access to the screened porch. Enjoy open-concept living with graceful flow from the great room to dining and kitchen. The dining room is open to the kitchen and also offers access to the deck. The main living areas are anchored by the dual-sided fireplace. Next to the fireplace is a convenient wet bar with wine fridge. The composite deck offers years of low-maintenance relaxation and entertaining space. The home is set back just off the third hole of the Blue Heron course. The screened porch, perfect for multi-season enjoyment, runs along the back of the house. Back inside is the entertainer's kitchen, open to the living and dining spaces. This spacious kitchen offers abundant storage and expansive countertops. Guests will appreciate the bar height seating around the perimeter. Enjoy a well-appointed kitchen with a gas cooktop in the island and abundant natural light. Appliances and other kitchen necessities are certain to find a convenient home in the huge pantry. The kitchen offers easy access to the main floor laundry. The main floor also offers a guest suite with full bath. For those working at home, this could be a perfect home office. The main floor owner's suite will be your daily retreat. This spacious bedroom also offers private access to the deck, perfect for a golf resort lifestyle. Retreat to the spacious ensuite bath with dual vanities, a makeup vanity, and walk-in shower. Relax and soak your cares away in the large soaking tub. The spacious walk-in closet can be accessed from both the bedroom and the bath. Upstairs, the home offers 2 generous bedrooms joined by the Jack and Jill bath. This is a true Jack and Jill bath because each bedroom has its own half bath. Also on the second floor is a spacious multi-purpose bonus room. This will be a great space for media, games, or hobbies. The huge closet offers organized storage and even a little workspace. If you enjoy working on larger projects, the 2-car garage offers some options. Thank you for touring 110 Gleneagles. Call today for your private tour.